Principles 14 of 17. Accurate thinking. The accurate thinker recognizes all the facts of life, both good and bad. Assume the responsibility of separating and organizing the two, choosing those which serve your needs and reject all others. Here's exercise. Think of 3 statements about obstacles you might encounter that you now consider fact. Think hard about the truth of each, doing research if necessary. See principles number 8. Are these really true? For example, you own a company that sells beach chairs. Sell poorly in the winter, that is a fact. Does that mean beach chairs must sell poorly in January or simply in cold weather? What if you found a distributor in the Caribbean or South America? The fact is, each chair could sell year-round. It all depends on how you look at facts, and you are what you think. That's why it's important how you think.